Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to create a portfolio website, a data analyst portfolio website for free in just few minutes. I'm going to take you through a step-by-step guide on how to create your own portfolio website. So if you've been meaning to create a portfolio website, if you've been meaning to have your own portfolio website and you don't know how to go about it, you don't even know how to do it, then this video is for you. I know you are excited. I am excited also. So stay to the end of this video. Make sure you stay to the end of this video. And if you've not yet subscribed to my channel, please subscribe now before you go ahead in this video. All right. Thank you. This is the website we are going to create. We are going to create this website. So this is my first portfolio website I created using Canva. So I'm going to show you how I was able to create this. So please stay to the end of this video. And yeah, like and subscribe to my channel and click on the notification bell to get notified whenever a new video is posted. All right, so let's get started. So the first step is going to Canva. So we have to go to Canva website. We are in Canva website right now. This is Canva website. So when you're done logging in, the next thing you're going to do is to search for websites. Search for websites. So we see website development. Okay, I was the one that searched for data analyst website, but all you need to do just search for website. So you can click on this. Here is the different templates. Here is the different templates you can make use of. So some are paid templates and some are free templates. So in case you want to make use of a different template that we're going to use today, you can just go through the template and choose whichever template you want to use. Okay, so let's click on this. Okay, this is cool, but I want to make use of this template here. So I'll select this template. So you can go through the templates. You can go through the template. So this is how the template is. So if you're okay with it, you can then click on this customize this template button here. So it's going to take you to a place where you can now edit it, which is here. So now this is the template you are working with. So you can now go ahead and edit it. So the first thing you have to do is to edit this first page, right? So I'm going to click on this and I'm going to replace this picture with mine, or you're going to replace this picture with your picture, right? Change this picture to your picture. You can go ahead and delete this, then go to upload, then bring in your picture. So bring in your own picture. So this is mine, so you can resize it to how you want it to be. So you can resize it as so. Then you can now go ahead and change the name and change the information here. Alright, so I'm gonna head to change the informations to mine. So here has my name, Rebecca Onoha, and I'm a data analyst. So I can ungroup this. I would like to ungroup this so that I can be able to be able to adjust it. right? Yeah, it's better that way. Then I can bring this here. So now this is Rebecca Ono, a data analyst. I'm a data analyst based in Anambra State. I can analyze data using Power BI, Excel, SQL, and Python. So this, you put who you are, you put your information there. So that's for the first page. Then we'll get to this page. So if you check in that page, what we have there is about me. So do what you write about yourself, right? So I decided to write a slogan, my slogan, which is this. So this is my slogan. So you can put your slogan whatsoever. You can put it, or you can decide not to. So I added my slogan to this. So data makes the world better. So I'm going to duplicate this. I'm going to duplicate this. Then I'll bring it over here. Then I'll give it a title. The title should be about me. So about me. Then I'll bring this close. Okay, so everything here should be your information, should be all about you, right? So before I put in everything that concerns me here, I'm going to first change the pictures. So I'm going to delete this and bring in the image I want to. So I would like to bring in So I would like to bring in this image here. Alright. So I'd like to bring in this image here. Then I'll go back to putting information about me here. So I'm going to duplicate this. Before I do that, I'm going to duplicate this, and then so as a data analyst, about me as a data analyst, I'm not going to put in my job role, like what I do, right, as a data analyst. Alright, so I've added all the information about me here. So I'm going to go ahead and increase the font sizes. So for this, I'll just adjust it a little. So I just talked about the steps that involve in data analysis, right? I talked about how I analyze data. I also perform data preparation with different tools that I use, and the dashboard creation. I also stakeholder collaboration. I partner with teams across the organization to deliver data-driven recommendation, and then I do reporting too. So basically, this part is just about you, what you do as a data analyst, right? That's what you can. Well, that's what you should put in there. So I would like to increase the font size. Yeah, then also increase the font size of this. Yeah, then also increase the font size of this a bit. Okay, notice that. So I'll expand this more so you can take in more space, so I can be able to increase it more. Okay, so you see now about me as data analyst. I analyze data, blah blah blah. So that's what you should basically put there. Then you can put whatever image you want to put here, right? Okay, so the next thing we are going to do in this next page, let's go back to this design. So in this next page, is also an about me page, right? So this about me part now, you're going to talk about any certification you have, just like this. I graduated from Analyst University to BSc, got my certifications and all that. This was I use. So you can choose to put this first, right? I think you should actually put this first. I made a mistake. So I think put this about me first before the second about me, right? So that's what we are going to do in the next page. In this page, so first let's delete this image and bring in the image you want to use. So I'm going to use my picture, obviously. So I'm going to use this picture here. So you can choose to use any picture of your choice. And I'm going to go ahead and delete all this. So I can just expand it this way. Then I would like to delete all this. I don't have this as well. Or if you have maybe if you want to put anything there, you can go ahead and leave it for. I'm cool. Alright, so this is going to be about me again. So about me page 2. So this is basically how I decided to do mine. Okay, you can decide to do it in any way you want to. Okay, so here is my about me, and I would like to increase the front size. So yeah, that's it. I've increased the front size. Okay, so that's it for about me. So we're going to go right into talking about our project. What's the project that you've done, right? So we're going to start talking about the project you've done, trying to use the different projects and the different tools that you used for the projects. Okay, so the title of my project is New Leads Report Analysis. So I'm going to reduce the font size. Sorry, let's reduce it a bit so it's cool. Then I'll now talk about here. I'll talk about what the project is about. So I'll increase this too. Okay, so this is what I did. So this is new leads report analysis. So I said in this analysis, okay, it should be this analysis. This is an analysis done. An analysis done for a tech company that teach tech skills and offer. Okay, this is describing the company I did the analysis for. Then I can now go ahead and put the image I choose to. So I'll delete all these images and import the image I want to use. So I'll go to still in upload. I will import the new leads. Okay, this should be it. I'll import the image. So here is the image for the new leads, and that's the dashboard. That's the dashboard that I used. Okay, so that's it for this page. Then this is just the basic you can do. You can do so much more than this. Then the next page, we are still on the first project, right? So we are still on the first project. So because we're still on the first project, I'm still going to use, so if you have another dashboard for the same project, right, you can put the second dashboard here, but I just have one dashboard, so that's why I'm basically using the same dashboard. So here I'm going to go in depth. I'm going to go in depth into the project. So I talked about the tools I used. So the tools I used was Excel and Power BI. I talked about the data cleaning process and then observation and recommendation, right, for the project. So this is project 1 documentation done. So I just finished with project 1 documentation. So I'll be going into the second project documentation, right? So we'll be using this page for it. We'll be using this page for it. So the name of this project is HR Analysis. This project was a project I did during an internship. So HR Analysis. Let's make it a capital letter. So HR Analysis. Then let's delete these images here, so we can be able to import the image we want to. So this is the HR Analysis. I've imported the image, so I can edit it. So I'm going to keep the image this side, and I'm going to bring in this here. Alright, so this is the so this is the HR Analysis. This is the I even mentioned it here. This is the HR Analysis done during my internship with Mary Scale. So tools used: Power BI for cleaning, analysis, and visualization. The observations that I made, and then the next page we will now talk about the recommendations. So let's delete this image. I deleted that page. I deleted the entire page. So we're going to make use of this. So we're going to write recommendation here. Recommendation. Okay, so let me do this. So here is the recommendation. So I'm going to delete these images. So when I'm done deleting the images, I will now import the image that I want to. I'm also using the same dashboard image. So in case you have another dashboard different from the first one, you can still make use of them. Alright guys, so this is basically how you can insert many projects. You can do so many other projects. You can insert so many other projects. You can add page, you can add page and do more projects. Okay. So this is the last page, the work with me page. So I'm going to delete this and impute my own image. So I'm going to use my own image here. So this is the work with me page. So work with me, then I'm going to put in my address here. So here my own information, then I'll put in and bring that back. Yeah, I can delete this. This is not my logo. All right. So guys, after you are done with your website, the next thing you are going to do now is to publish it, right? To get a link, right? So to publish the website, come over here, see publish website. So you click on it. So it's going to resize on mobile, include navigation menu, website URL. Then you can check publish setting, or you can just click on publish website. So when you click on publish website, when it's done being published, you can copy the URL. Sorry, you can copy the URL, and then you can go ahead to send your website link to anyone to view your website. So right now it's preparing your design. Alright, so I guess this should be network, so you can cancel and restart. But when it goes well, after the last page, you will now be able to copy your URL, right? So your website is actually done. So I can cancel, and I'm sure it's just network. I can cancel and then publish website again. So guys, I hope this video was helpful. This is the end of our video. So I hope this was very helpful for you guys. So at least you have an idea of how you can just create a free portfolio website for yourself. Alright, so if this video was helpful to you, don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel, share to others, and turn on your notification bell to be notified when the next video is being posted. Alright, see you guys next time. Bye.